This company is one of the world's leading manufacturers and suppliers of integrated milking solutions. From the smallest bucket milking installation to a variety of milking parlors. From automated milking systems like our innovative milking robot to the first continuous fully automatic milking robot. This company actually provides equipments to suit all herd sizes and dairy farmers' needs. The unrivaled milking portfolio of this company is complemented by a range of hygiene products to ensure a spotless environment for the goat and the highest milking quality. All the components are designed to be animal friendly and guarantee optimum yields. Its milking technology expertise is a part of a total solutions package that is helping farmers to manage their businesses efficiently and sustainably. The Italian company CMC Industries is the most famous manufacturer of this type of machinery with the Apollo chicken harvester range. Its models don't use the rubber fingers to catch the chickens as other manufacturers do. It actually uses a system of conveyor belts which results in a gentle and smooth way to collect the birds. In addition, the Apollo harvesters are capable of weighting the birds being loaded. The capacity of machine can be up to 26 tons of birds per hour. Studies have demonstrated that the use of chicken harvesters may be less stressful to the birds compared to being hand-wrangled by humans. The use of the machines has also been demonstrated to reduce injuries to chickens compared to those that occur from hand wrangling, especially in wings and legs. In addition, while the machine does not reduce the number of man-hours required to process the animals, it is said to be easier on the workers. This system is ideal in its comfort for both the cow and the hoof trimmer, making hoof trimming less stressful. With rich industry experience and knowledge, this company has been able to provide the best array of broiler cage system. The multi-tier solution saves space and investment costs. It increases density by at least 3 times compared to conventional ground farming systems. It considerably improves performance and permits saving of at least 7 days per cycle. It also enables an extra cycle per year. Fit Farm Innovation Team R&D department invented and designed the innovative and successful broiler feeder pan for broiler cages and cage-free feeding systems. With cage farming, the birds live in small colonies, therefore improving uniformity and access to feed and water. In order to have easy access to the upper tiers, there is the option of handy and light inspection trolley. Quality system nipple watering system are designed to provide the optimum water requirements, with each drinker sufficient for 15 broilers, birds and 8 to 10 breeders. The trolleys are hooked onto the battery and constitute a stable plane where the operator can work with safety. The special cage bottom permits having the best quality of meat. And at the same time be flexible in order to avoid bruises to the breast. The removable bottom permits automatically evacuating the chickens at the end of the line. The special plastic material of the footrest combined with metal frame assure flexibility and stable support for better development of the legs. The plastic bottom eliminates all cost of workers, litter purchase, litter maintenance and litter disposal.